wood box, and original grain watch code. So yeah, that's definitely my watch of the day. Let me try to open it with one hand. So yeah, look, it's a beautiful box. Indeed, I like it. Well, as you can tell, I love wood, so of course I would love a wood box. I'm not good with one hand, thanks. Okay, I did it. Here we go. So, it's also a wood watch. Yep. Of course, there he is. Again, one hand thing. My goodness. Right, I open already. I'm gonna explain to you. This is a gift that I received from a friend for helping him, and also to celebrate when Leeds was entered the Premier League again. So back to the watch. There's too much things to tell, and not much time. So yeah, the watch is the dial. It's wood. This part of the bezel is wood. This part is wood, but it is, most of it, made with metal. Nevertheless, it is absolutely beautiful. He bought one for himself as well, but he bought for himself a chronograph. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. Look at the details. So cool, so nice. I'm really pleased with that. Love it. I really love it. We put on my wrist. So it's a little bit. I'm not good with cameras. They don't like me. Right. So that's my watch of the day. Original grain, partially made with wood. Absolutely beautiful. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and yep, see you tomorrow.